Do you love plantain chips? What if I told you that you can enjoy them fresh at home and turn them into a business right from your kitchen? In today's video, I will show you step by step how to make the crispiest unripe plantain chips and the sweet and spicy semi-ripe version, plus how to package them perfectly for sale. By the end, you will know exactly how to start your own plantain chips business from home. So stay tuned till the end. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment if you love plantain chips, and of course, share this with someone who loves good snack. Let's get frying. To start, you don't need a lot of fancy equipment, just fresh plantains, good quality oil for frying, salt, and for the spicy version, chili powder, garlic powder, and so on. As we continue, we are going to unfold many other ingredients. So for tools, you will need a sharp knife or slicer, a frying pan or deep fryer, paper towel for draining, and clean packaging bags or clean plastics. First, let's make the classic unripe plantain chips. These are famous for their crunchy and salty taste. They can also be spicy as well. So you need to peel the plantains, cut off both ends, make a slit along the skin and peel carefully. Please watch till the end for the full ingredients and so as not to miss out on any tips and business strategies. Slice them tinily, the tinier the crunchier. Here I am using a slicer. You can use a sharp knife as well, or any other mandolin slicer. If you have been following our channel, you will know that nothing goes to waste here. So the peel, what can we do with the peel? Plantain peels are not waste. You can actually turn them into useful products instead of throwing them away. Here are some smart things you can do with them. For plantain peel flour, they can be used for animal feeds. They can be used for plantain peel soup or stew. They can be used in skincare. They are used for teeth whitening. They are used for hair treatments, organic fertilizer or compost, and so on. Now heat the oil. In order for our plantain chips to have a signature aroma, we are going to add some onions. This will give your plantain chips a signature aroma. It will make the taste and aroma stand out in the market. You can use other ingredients to give your plantain chips that signature taste and aroma. Fry in batches until golden. Don't overcrowd the pan. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, this will be the right time for you to subscribe and join our food and active lifestyle growing community. You can also bake your plantain chips instead of frying for the health-conscious people. Also, let's check out tips for extra crunch. If some chips softens later or due to moisture, you can spread them on a baking tray and oven bake at low heat for 5 to 7 minutes to revive crispiness. Now for the spices, you can mix pepper powder or chili powder with some garlic and ginger powder along with some salt for balance. You can also add paprika, you can add some soya pepper and so on. After draining, you can go ahead and add the pepper mixture. These unripe plantain chips are the most popular because they stay crispy longer and are loved by both kids and adults. Now for the semi-ripe version, this one is a little sweet, a little spicy and very addictive. Peel the semi-ripe plantain. You can see some green color at the top of the plantain, that is, they are still kind of strong. That is the semi-ripe plantain. So cut off both ends and make a slit along the skin and peel carefully. Slice them evenly. Use a mandolin slicer or sharp knife. If you love our tips and recipes, you will find even more in my exclusive ebooks, a complete guide that covers everything from delicious meals and baking secrets to event planning, natural hair growth solution, plus my online classes which guides you step by step. Check the description box below to grab your ebooks or sign up for a class. Let's level up together. Fry till golden brown as well, and if they are not crispy enough due to the moisture, you can spread them on a baking tray and oven bake at low heat for 5 to 7 minutes to revive their crispiness. Now toss the spice mix into the hot chips for that bold flavor. These chips stand out in the market because of their unique sweet spicy taste. Let's check out some tips for semi-ripe plantain chips. Always slice evenly. Control oil temperature, that is, oil should not be too hot. Don't overcrowd the pan. Also season while it is hot and then cool before storing. Now let's check out some packaging and business tips. Let's talk business. Packaging is just as important as taste. Always use clean, airtight packaging, bags or plastics. a label with your business name, ingredients, and contact details. Always keep your chips stored in a cool, dry place to stay fresh. So there you have it, two delicious versions of plantain chips, the crunchy unripe classic and the sweet spicy semi-ripe twist. Both are perfect to enjoy at home or turn into a profitable snack business. Which one would you try first, the salty crunch or the sweet spicy kick? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more food recipes and business tips. Don't forget to follow us on our display social media handles. Let's become friends and advance together. Until next time, keep snacking smart and building your dreams.